Check this out, boys. I got this letter in the mail from the city of Manhattan Beach. Oscar, good morning, buddy. Yeah, you're a good floof. I love you, dude. It is a final notice before being sent off to the collection agency. Ooh, $84 because on the 4th of March, 2020, I got a parking citation in my Ferrari 458. I bought this car in July. March, $84. City of Manhattan Beach, I love you, I support you. I'm not paying your parking ticket for a parking ticket. I didn't get it. Today's video is gonna be one of those videos where we just got lots of little things, good things, strong things, but yeah, we got lots of good things to do today. We're gonna hop in the event store, we're gonna race off to Agility Customs. Good update on the Gladiator in today's video. We're doing warehouse renovations. Really excited to share those with you guys. We have mail time. We haven't had mail time on the vlog. We only have one box. We only have one box, but I'm really excited to unbox it. We got Uncle Russ right here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I really wonder what the over-under is that the event store breaks down to. I don't even care though. It just sounds so good. The Arancio Argos, it just hits on a different level. Such an amazing color. I've discovered one of the best ways to wake up is an Arancio Just like that, welcome here to Agility Customs. I'm not really sure how you describe that, but I want it and I need it. That's sick. Yo, guys, check it out. The Gladiator, finally, the proportions are very, very easy to visualize. Check that out. We actually have 3 axles. Bear in mind, they're not actually connected yet, but look at the frame right there. You see the tack welds right there. It is coming together. This thing is gonna be insane. This is an unexpected sequence in the vlog. Todd, wow, you've been working out those forearms? Okay, yeah, we're gonna cut that out of the vlog. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That is your moment. I am not cutting that out. So Ryan's doing some tack walls right now for this cross member right here. We're still trying to figure out all the geometry to make it absolutely perfection. That is so beautiful to look at. Okay, so Todd, if I put the camera on you real quick, could you explain what we're doing right now?
Arts and crafts.
Okay, there we go. Take 2. Second take.
Arts and crafts.
Wait, no, that's really what you're going with.
Yeah.
Safety is of the utmost importance. What did you just say off camera about these breaking in a million pieces and flying into people's faces?
Well, sometimes they explode and land in people's
When you say sometimes, from a percentage standpoint, are we talking 50-50? Are we talking 1 in 100?
I've only seen it on the internet.
42%
Okay.
of the time.
So in Florida it happens.
But it was on the internet, so it's gotta be true.
4% of stats are made up on the spot, so.
Okay, another dad joke from Todd right there. So this piece right here, this is the rear of the original frame. So this cut lined up with this cut. We have the additional frame right here. We're actually gonna cut this again, weld this into that end right there. So that's why it doesn't fit quite perfectly. But the frame, the proportions are gonna be perfection. I'm getting so excited about this 6x6. So the next step, NASA, that's right, NASA is designing the coil buckets that'll be welded onto the back of the frame right here. All these other brackets, these are being made as well. So we're getting there, boys. We're hoping to have this driving here very, very soon. And obviously we're gonna have to do a burnout. So these tires, we did a lot of burnouts on. These are brand new. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but there is significantly more tread on these tires, but we're gonna destroy these soon. That was a joke. Todd told me to say that joke. NASA's not designing these coil buckets. Somebody else here in Utah is, so, but they're just as qualified. You know I respect you. I only make fun of people that I like. That's why I don't make fun of Ryan. Wait, what? I'm just kidding. He didn't even hear it. Whoa. Wind up and hit it. We need round 2. I don't really have any house updates right now. I'm just waiting to get the bids back from my contractors, but my neighbor's house is coming together very, very well. That house is gonna be properly sick. The garage game is off the charts. I should have my bids back in maybe 2 weeks. Mail time. From Carbontastic right here, a little subtle reminder to the Postal Service to not drop this box. You guys know what this is. Oscar, buddy, what are you doing? No, it's for you. Yeah, it's for the truck from Carbontastic. Yeah, oh, it's exciting. I'm excited too. Dun dun dun. Look, dude. Oh, Yo, that looks so cool, bud. Look at that. Look at the purple carbon fiber just glistening in that Utah sun. Even the paddles are purple carbon. Oscar, bud, look at that. The white stitching matches your floof. It's gonna look so cool on the Raptor. The factory Shelby steering wheel is pretty cool. You got all the carbon fiber, but check out the white stitching there. The carbon-tastic one looks so cool. We're not gonna install this today. It's a pretty complicated install. We'll save it for another day, but that purple carbon, I love the white Shelby logo right there too. This one doesn't have it. That's such a cool upgrade. Swapping out the Raptor for the Ferrari 458, we've got the Fox body and the Rolls-Royce limo. Welcome back to 1985. And then we also have Packing Peanut Nation right there. And 19 years later, all the packing peanuts are cleaned up, all in these plastic bags right here. I gave a bunch to my neighbors too. So if you need them, get them, because they're gonna be gone before you know it. We're finally gonna make this space a little bit more usable. We're having 3 BendPak lifts installed, 2 4-post lifts in that corner, and a 2-post lift in this corner, which means we can finally start on the 458 Liberty Walk. So the installer is gonna be here very, very soon. That's why we had to clean up this space. That limo, I'm hoping we don't have to move it because I'm sure it's dead. And on cue, check it out, boys. The BendPak lift has arrived. So Mike actually built it in his shop and he's delivering it the proper way. This is gonna be so cool. I've been dreaming of having one of these for so long. We're gonna be able to put so many cars in the warehouse now. Obviously, I only have a year lease on this property, but as soon as I move out, I can still put these BendPak lifts in my future house. So cool how portable they are. And just like that, we have doubled our parking storage in this section of the warehouse. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Why did we need these? Like, the warehouse is empty. Let me explain. The Gallardo and the Gladiator are gonna be done before you know it. The incoming JDM car, and then the 4th car I haven't even talked about. Before we know it, this warehouse is gonna be completely full and we're gonna be out of space yet again. Now, these lifts are not quite fully operational yet. We need to head off to Harbor Freight. I need to get an air compressor. We gotta hook up the power and then we'll be ready for the full tour. Good morning to, okay, wow. I feel like I'm playing hopscotch. Good morning to you all. Last night I'm at Lowe's and I'm trying to find an air compressor and there's just this sea of different air compressors. I have no idea what the difference is between any of them, and so I bought that one and I don't know. Unfortunately, this is not a paid product placement for Cobalt. I wish it was, and if it could be, I would make it. Look at the sheer enormity of this 2-post lift. That is absolutely crazy. We got Burlacker, oh so smug there in the background. I think he's today's supervisor. Why are you here again?
I just ate some pizza.
During my ownership of these 2-post lift, I only have one goal, and that is to never ever be that guy, or that guy, or that guy, or that guy. Wait, what? Look at that! That's insane. This is how you drill through concrete though, boys. Jeez. Chassis lift point guide, Ford. Could you please calm down, bro? I'm trying to find your lift points. Mustang, page number 20. These lifts are so easy to use. Check that out. If we would have had to jack up this car, it would have taken like 4 hours and then it would have fallen on top of us. Wow, it's dirty under there, dude. Exhaust installs would be so easy moving forward. Also, this car is filthy. Absolutely filthy. I think it's time to straight pipe this baby. What do you say, Burlacker? Chop this exhaust off? Maybe supercharge it? One of the two. I am 5'11 3/4. I almost hit the 6 feet mark, but unfortunately I didn't. And check this out. I can stand underneath the Mustang, not even bent over whatsoever. That is so cool. Like, working on cars is gonna be so much easier now. You're good, keep it coming, keep it coming. That is such a good looking car. That 458 sits so low to the ground, but we're just gonna barely make it just by the smidges of smidges. The button that Mike is pressing right there, you just press that. I don't know if you're quite skilled enough, Burlacker. Those are the safety locks right there, just to ensure that the car does not drop. Mike, thank you. Appreciate all the help. Now, if somebody needs a lift installed and they live in the state of Utah, how do they get a hold of you?
Automotive equipment repair.
All right, I'll put a link to you guys below. Obviously, these ramps right here, we would usually remove these. We're gonna drop the Ferrari down. We gotta drop this lift down first though, and then the Ferrari, and then the Mustang. So, Burlacker, if you wouldn't mind,
I've noticed you haven't figured out how to turn the lights on either.
What are you, it's just a light switch right over here. I'm not really sure what Burlak is talking about, but pretty easy to turn the lights on.
When you want to go down, you have to go up first.
Yes.
And when you're going up, you got to go down at the end. So it's always the opposite first of what you want to do in the end.
That's pretty easy, just like that.
This is the most, what's the word?
The nice thing is you have some time to recollect. Wow. The good thing is you got, this is so pathetic right now. Do you have it?
This is the most successful thing. This is the only successful thing I've done all day.
He's a director at a very prestigious company. You look nervous. How you doing, big boss?
Well,
I realize it's your car now with the Ferrari. You were just like, whatever. If it drops, it drops. It's a great video for James. You got to do this too. Okay, easy, big fella. I've been around automotive shops my entire life, but now that I have my own lift system, it is so much cooler. Like removing the front bumper off this Mustang would be so much easier when the car is raised. Like here on the ground, getting underneath the car, jacking it up, versus just having it lifted to the sky. Like, life is easy, bro. I'm not working on your car. No. It's after you crash it, we have to remove the front bumper because of the crash and all the,
That makes sense.
We got the fire extinguishers for the Mustang, and I say that, and yet the Ferraris actually catch on fire all the time. But at least we don't have a McLaren. Whoa. It was just a joke. I love McLarens. It just like I seized the moment. That's what I did. It's kind of sort of crazy. This time last year, I had my original house design, which was the barn setup. There was a massive garage with a 2-bedroom apartment above it. That is exactly what this space is. But unfortunately, here in the state of Utah, this is zone commercial, which means I'm not allowed to live here. But if I could, this would be perfect, and we could just cancel the house design. Now, we're not going to do that, but we could if we could, but we can't, so we're not going to. We have a man basking in the glory of not crashing his Mustang, and he hasn't sold his Rolls Royce yet.
We're going to go eat because I'm starving.
What are you eating?
I'm starving.
What is that? Oh, those back. Those are the pink ones.
Oh.
The pink ones are gross, bro. Those are not biodegradable. It's the white ones you can eat.
Oops.
Ugh. Could you put that in the trash outside? Obviously, I've swooped out here, so, yeah, if you wouldn't mind. I'm still young. I got a bright future ahead of me. My life is too good to die. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Whoa. Bro, the lane is at 600 feet. We're here at Five Guys. It's the craziest thing. Somehow I forgot my mask. But baby Burlacker with the homie hookup. Okay, there's a lady right there. He is so weird. What was that dance right there?
I got excited and that lady.
In front of that lady?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I could actually feel the back inside out. How did you hold that together?
What can I say?
That was dead luck. Dead luck. That didn't make sense. That was good luck. Anyways, doesn't matter. I don't know where we are, but somehow we're off-roading the Mustang, and it's not going. Bro! Oh, jeez! That's why your car's filthy underneath. What are you doing? How does this always happen?
I think is there dog poo? There's dog poo.
Oh, there is, yeah, there's a dump right. That's right there. Stay to the left,
Okay.
Why are we parking in the yard though, bro?
Gonna wash the car.
Really? We're those neighbors. French fries, hamburger, baby Burlacker. On that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.